Yeah, many such stadiums, indoor stadiums, are being constructed. In fact, as we speak, I don't have the entire list with me, but you know that we have gone for a large push for infrastructure in sports in the last many years, and that same momentum will continue this year also. So not only many stadiums are under construction, but many are going to be sanctioned also. We have already shortlisted close to about 40 such infrastructures throughout the state, which for which the work will start very soon. So I had a recent review in Tura for the national games. The Honorable Minister for Sports and other officials were all present out there, and the preparations are on track. Whether it's the stay or the different logistical requirements, or we have discussed in detail, and all are under preparation. And so we should be ready in time for the games. We have a big challenge, of course, because hosting 4,000 people in Tura has never been done before at this scale, and hence we are looking for support from the community, from different organizations, schools, colleges, where we are investing in the infrastructure to accommodate the people so that they can stay there. And once the games are over, then those infrastructures will go to their respective organizations. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. So we expect the games to go well, but we are not going to leave any stone unturned. So we'll do whatever it takes to make the game successful. Second, of course, in the national games also, we are on track because our stadiums are under preparation, and you will see that within a matter of next 6 months to about 12 months time, you will see major change in the overall infrastructures, and major projects be completed in the next 12 months time.